is moving very slow.
He's coming slow. He moved.
Very slow.
He's got his lights. Bingo!
Oh my gosh, these cars are crazy. Ah!
That's so many runners. So many runners. Oh, there's a guy stuck in between. There's somebody stuck in between.
He's not stuck, Jack. That's an area you're allowed to be at. How do you think I felt? I was like 20 feet away from that engine. You can hear them. Oh my gosh, you can hear them moving around.